Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Expobar office espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the board, the one that you see right here. This one we had to replace with that one that you see right there. This was the new model, and we also had to replace the gasket of the portafilter, the shower screen, and the filter of the hot water, as this was completely clogged, as you can see right here. Completely clogged, full of scale buildup, just not looking great. So yeah, starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. Then we're gonna be using the steamer and then the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. I put a double shot instead of a single one, and yeah, I pressed the single one in there instead. Excellent flow coming out of the machine. Now we are back flushing the machine. We're putting a blank filter in there. As you can see, no water comes out from the group head or anything like that. That flushes pretty well from the hose. Nice steady flow coming out of the group head, working great. The steam nice and strong. I see pressure coming out from the boiler. Hot water with a nice steady flow, and machine heating up by itself as well. So there you have it. Expobar working once again and ready to blow. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.